Hello and welcome to ShareScope. In this video, I'll show you how to migrate your portfolios and transaction data from Legacy ShareScope to new ShareScope. It's a fairly simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Legacy ShareScope on your computer, and that's where you'll already have access to the portfolios you want to migrate. Once you're in, you're going to go to the File menu and click on Migrate Portfolios to New ShareScope. Now a dialog is going to appear on screen. You'll need to click on Begin to proceed. And now you're in the Portfolio Migration tool. When you're ready, click the Start button, and that will begin the process of preparing your portfolios for the migration. Now, for each of your portfolios, you'll need to decide whether to migrate the portfolio or not. Click Mark OK to tell ShareScope to include it in the migration, or click on Don't Export to tell ShareScope not to include this portfolio. And you'll need to make sure you do this for every one of your portfolios. So I'll mark this one as OK. Now, once you've made a decision on every one of your portfolios, you'll be asked if you want to upload them. Click on Yes to continue. Next, you'll need to input your new ShareScope login credentials. This ensures that your data is securely transferred to your new ShareScope account. And once done, the export process will complete. So now you'll need to log into your new ShareScope account. And once you're in, go to the Options menu and click on Import Legacy ShareScope Data. Click on Import Portfolios and select the portfolios you'd like to import. And then click on Import Selected. And that's it. Now your Legacy ShareScope portfolio and transaction data is available in your copy of new ShareScope.